Good morning, student. Today I will explain you about subject and predicate. So what is subject and what is predicate? Every sentence has two essential parts, that is the subject and the predicate. So every sentence has two parts. First one is subject and the other is predicate. The subject and the predicate may each consist of one word or many words. So subject as well as predicate, they both may be consist of either one word or more than one word. So Neeraj reads a book. If this is a sentence, so what is the subject here? Neeraj. And what is the predicate here? Reads a book. Every sentence has two parts. So first is subject, the part which refers to the person or the thing we are speaking about. So what is subject? The person or the thing we are speaking about. Either the person or the thing is known as subject. For example, here Neeraj reads a book. So what is Neeraj? Neeraj is a person. So what is Neeraj? Subject. Now predicate, the part which tells something about the subject is known as predicate. So what is told about Neeraj? That he is reading a book. That means Neeraj reads a book. So what reads a book is a predicate. Next, the sun rises in the east. So what is the sun? The sun is the subject. What is told about the sun? That it rises in the east. So what is told about the subject is known as predicate. Always remember, in imperative sentence, the subject is left out as. Now the imperative sentence, the subject is left out as what? Go to school. Actually means you go to school. So what is the subject here? You. So you is left out. Useful tips. The subject may come at the beginning, middle or the end of the sentence. So it is not compulsory that subject will be there only in the beginning. It can be in the middle or the end of the sentence. And a subject can be a noun, pronoun or words doing the work of noun. And a subject can be a noun, pronoun or words. Now let's come through the exercise. The part which refers to the person or the thing we speak about is called the. Just tell me about the person and thing. Predicate, subject or sentence? Subject. In dash sentences, the subject you is left out. We have gone through which sentence was that? Imperative sentence. Next, divide each of the following sentence into subject and predicate. So you have to divide it, which is the subject and which is the predicate. First, barking dogs seldom bite. So what is the subject here? Barking dog. And seldom bite is the predicate. Next, the little girl is playing with her toys. So what is the subject here? The little girl. The person is the little girl. And what she is doing is playing with her toys. Is playing with her toys is the predicate. Next, the girl wearing a pink frock is my sister. So what is the subject here? The girl wearing a pink frock. and what she is? She is my sister. Is my sister is predicate. Next, the man standing in the corner is a doctor. So the man standing in the corner is subject, is a doctor is predicate. Next, a bad workman blames his tools. A bad workman is subject, blames his tool is predicate. Next, add predicates to these subjects. First one is swimming. Swimming is a good exercise. You can add predicate as swimming is a good exercise. Next, Delhi, the capital of India, is a metropolitan city. Delhi, the capital of India, is a metropolitan city. Next, the sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. His father is a lawyer. His father is a lawyer. Some dogs are barking. Some dogs are barking. Now add subject to these predicates. In the previous question, what you have done, you have add the predicates. Now in this question, what you have to do? You have to add subjects. Dash can speak English very well. What you can write? He can speak English very well. Next, Dash marched through the town. The army marched through the town. Dash fly. Birds fly. Next, Dash played well. Boys played well. Dash turned and ran away. The thief turned and ran away. Next, match the subjects with suitable predicate. Christopher Columbus discovered America. Habit is a second nature. Charity begins at home. The sun rises in the east. Prevention is better than cure. Here, choose any two subjects and add a subject, and choose any two subjects and add a suitable predicate to make a complete sense. So, you have to choose any two subject and you have to add predicate, and what you have to do, you have to make a sentence. So, this you can do by yourself. Thank you.